Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving my resale predictions and talking about how to cop the upcoming Jordan 1 Retro High Satin Black Toe. Releasing exclusively as a women's shoe, these are set to drop on August 17th for a retail price of $160. The size range that will be available is between women's 5 and 12, and no other sizes will be released to the public. So if you want to maximize your chances of copying, just make sure to sign up to all of your local raffles. Call the store, see if they're doing any raffles or anything like that. Of course, register for a head start on stores such as Foot Locker with their whole reservation system, and sign up for raffles on sites such as End and SNS, who are currently doing online raffles and ship globally. Also, make sure to try your luck on the Nike Sneakers app on August 17th at 7 a.m. Pacific time, as that's probably your best chance of copying a pair. Also, if you're just trying to resell, my main advice would be to go to smaller sizes, as they will be much more widely available. Now, although bigger sizes will have a higher value ultimately, they're also going to be much more limited because it's a women's shoe. The majority of the sizes that will be available are going to be women's sizes 5 through women's size 9. Again, they're not going to have the same resale as I'm going to get into in a little bit, but there's going to be a lot more pairs available, so your chances of hitting are probably going to be a little bit higher. Now, having said that, let's jump right into the resale prediction. Now, as I just mentioned, sizes 5 through 9 and size 12 will be easier to cop than the rest. So because of that, they'll also sell for a lot less than the other sizes. Now, currently the prices for these sizes are hovering around $650 to $800. And I do expect that to drop a little bit once the shoes actually release. Now, for those sizes, I'd say the prices will fall anywhere between $500 to $700. But I really don't see it going any lower than $500 for any size after the August 17th release. Now, getting into the money sizes, size 9.5 through 11.5, I expect the resale prices to be much higher than the smaller sizes, as we saw with the women's only satin shattered backboards. Now, once again, this is due to how limited the production of these sizes are and the amount of people that actually want a pair. So the demand on those sizes is pretty high. So currently these sizes are actually selling for about $900, and I don't see that going down too much once they release and people see how limited these sizes are. At first, there may be a small drop and the prices might end up around $750 to $850. However, with all the sizes of the sneaker, I do expect the prices to go up even more as time passes and the amount of brand new pairs get less and less. Looking at past Satin Jordan 1s, including the most recent women's exclusive shattered backboard pair, prices on all of them have significantly increased from when they first released. So I expect nothing different from this, especially the colorway is really sought after, like a black, red, and white Jordan 1. Really can't go wrong with it. So with all that said, again, if you guys want a better chance of copying, I'd say go for sizes 5 through 9 and 12. If you just want to take a chance and get more money on the resale market, go for sizes 9.5 to 11. With all that said, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe for more.